Welcome to the heart of modern food production. Our journey begins at dawn as the finest soybeans arrive, marking the first step in creating pure oil. The harvest is delivered with precision. Each truck carries tons of sun-ripened beans, carefully selected for their high protein and oil content to ensure superior quality. Observe the incredible volume of raw materials. This golden cascade represents the foundation of our process, where quantity meets quality in a perfectly synchronized industrial dance. As the beans enter our system, they are immediately guided by gravity and automation, beginning their transformation from a simple farm crop into a refined product. Purity is our priority. The primary screening process uses advanced vibration technology to remove every trace of field debris, ensuring only the cleanest beans move forward. Every bean is scrutinized. Powerful air currents and precision meshes work together to eliminate impurities, protecting the integrity of the oil and the machinery itself. Look at the uniform quality of the cleaned beans. By removing stones and organic waste, we guarantee a smooth production flow and a healthier final product. Safety standards are paramount. Industrial magnets stand guard, extracting any metal fragments to prevent contamination and ensure the highest levels of food safety for consumers. The cleaned beans are now elevated deep into the facility. This vertical journey optimizes space and uses gravity to feed the next stages of our sophisticated process. Beneath the ceiling of this industrial cathedral, a network of conveyors moves thousands of beans per minute, all controlled by a central digital monitoring system. The intake phase concludes as the beans gather in massive surge bins, ready to be fed at a constant rate into the cleaning and preparation department. Preparation begins with thermal conditioning. The soybeans enter massive dryers where temperature and airflow are meticulously controlled to reach the ideal moisture levels for processing. Inside the rotating drum, hot air surrounds every single bean. This uniform heating is essential for loosening the outer hulls, making the subsequent separation much easier. Precision is key. High-tech sensors provide constant feedback to the control room, ensuring the beans are neither too dry nor too moist for the cracking stage. Now properly conditioned, the warm beans are ready. This heat treatment also helps to deactivate certain enzymes, improving the shelf life and nutritional profile of the oil. The cracking process begins here. Massive corrugated rollers apply precisely calculated pressure to break the beans into several pieces, exposing the oil-rich interior for extraction. By cracking the beans, we increase the surface area. This mechanical breakdown is the first physical transformation, turning hard seeds into manageable fragments ready for processing. Next, the hulls are removed. Powerful vacuums pull away the lightweight skins, leaving behind the concentrated bean meat which contains the highest concentration of natural oils. Nothing is wasted in our facility. These removed hulls are collected and processed into high-fiber animal feed, making our production cycle efficient and environmentally friendly. The bean fragments are reheated slightly. This conditioning step makes the material plastic and pliable, which is vital for creating the perfect flakes in the next machine. The flaking mills are the heavy hitters of the prep area. They use immense hydraulic pressure to flatten the bean fragments into extremely thin, uniform flakes. Notice the thinness of these flakes. By compressing the beans to less than 0.5 millimeter, we rupture the oil cells, allowing for maximum extraction efficiency later. A river of flakes flows toward the extraction hall. These flakes are the perfect substrate, designed to allow the extraction solvent to flow through them easily. Quality checks are continuous. We monitor flake thickness and temperature every minute to ensure the preparation meets our strict specifications before the oil is even removed. The flakes now leave the preparation area and enter a specialized sealed environment. This transition ensures the safety and purity of the chemical extraction process to follow. Cleanliness is the hallmark of our facility. Every surface is kept pristine to prevent any contamination, ensuring the natural flavor of the soybeans is preserved perfectly. Industrial power meets precision engineering. These machines work around the clock, maintaining consistent pressure to ensure every flake is identical in quality and oil-releasing potential. Steam conditioning optimizes the flakes. This final touch of moisture and heat prepares the material to give up its oil readily when it meets the extraction solvent. Our engineers monitor the entire flow from this digital nervous system, adjusting parameters instantly to maintain the perfect balance between speed and high-quality output. The preparation is complete. The soybeans, now in their most efficient form, are ready to surrender their precious oil within the heart of the extractor. Welcome to the extraction zone. In this high-tech, sealed environment, we use advanced solvent technology to gently wash the oil out of the soy flakes. The process is delicate. A food-grade solvent is sprayed over the moving bed of flakes, percolating through the layers to dissolve the oil trapped inside the cells. This is where chemistry meets industry. The solvent acts like a magnet for the oil, pulling it away from the plant fiber while leaving the proteins intact. Through the viewing port, we see the micellar. This mixture of oil and solvent is the first liquid form of our product, soon to be separated and purified. Filtration is immediate. Even at this early stage, we remove any microscopic solid particles to ensure the oil remains as pure and clean as possible before distillation. Powerful, quiet pumps transport the micellar. The journey continues toward the distillation unit, where we will use heat to separate the valuable oil from the carrier solvent. The distillation columns are the giants of the factory. Here, we exploit the different boiling points of oil and solvent to achieve a perfect, clean separation. Sustainability is built in. The solvent vapors are cooled and condensed back into liquid, allowing us to recycle over 99% of the solvent for future use. This closed-loop system minimizes waste and environmental impact. Our commitment to green technology ensures that our extraction process is both efficient and ecologically responsible. The result is crude soybean oil. At this stage, it has a rich golden brown color and contains all the natural nutrients and fats extracted from beans. Meanwhile, the spent flakes are toasted. This process removes any remaining solvent and cooks the protein, creating a high-quality meal used extensively in the agriculture industry. Safety and precision are monitored at every second. The extraction hall operates under a strict vacuum to prevent leaks and ensure the highest purity of the oil. The crude oil is collected in massive holding tanks. Though it is already oil, it still needs to go through the refining stage to become the clear product. Our skilled technicians oversee this complex environment. Their expertise, combined with cutting-edge technology, ensures that every gallon of crude oil meets our high internal standards. The oil is alive with potential. This crude extract is packed with natural tocopherols and essential fatty acids, waiting to be polished into a kitchen staple. Data drives our efficiency. Real-time analytics allow us to optimize the extraction process, ensuring we get the most oil out of every bean while maintaining peak quality. With extraction complete, the oil is moved forward. The crude oil leaves the extraction hall and travels through sealed pipes toward the next phase of transformation. The infrastructure of the plant is a marvel. These insulated arteries carry the raw lifeblood of our process between specialized buildings, maintaining the perfect temperature for transport. Every batch is tested. Before refining begins, our lab team analyzes the crude oil for acidity and purity, setting the parameters for the refining process ahead. The rich color of the crude oil is a sign of its natural origins. Soon, our refining process will clarify this liquid into the brilliant yellow we know. Storage is carefully managed to preserve freshness. Our climate-controlled tanks ensure the oil remains stable, protecting it from oxidation as it awaits the refining stage. The heartbeat of the factory never stops. These pumps provide the constant pressure needed to move thousands of liters of oil through the refining filters and towers. The extraction journey is complete, and the refining mission begins. We are now ready to take this raw gift of nature and polish it to perfection. Step into the refinery, where the art of purification happens. In this ultra-clean environment, we remove impurities to create oil that is clear, stable, and healthy. The first step is degumming. We add small amounts of water and acid to the oil, causing phosphatides or gums to separate from the pure oil molecules. The mixture enters a high-speed centrifuge, spinning at thousands of rotations per minute. It uses centrifugal force to instantly separate the heavier gums from the lighter oil. Precision separation in action. The byproduct gums are collected for lecithin production, while the degummed oil emerges significantly clearer and ready for the next stage of purification. Neutralization is next. We carefully adjust the oil's acidity, removing free fatty acids that could affect the taste and smoke point of the final cooking oil product. The oil is washed with pure water, a gentle rinsing process that ensures all refining agents are completely removed, leaving only the pure oil components behind for consumption. Moisture is the enemy of shelf life. In this vacuum dryer, we pull every last molecule of water out of the oil, ensuring it remains stable and fresh. Now we begin bleaching. We use natural earth clays to absorb color pigments and microscopic impurities, a natural way to achieve that beautiful, clear golden hue. The clay has done its job. Under high pressure, the oil is filtered through specialized membranes, leaving the impurities behind and emerging with newfound clarity and brightness. The transformation is stunning. The oil has shifted from a dark amber to a brilliant, transparent yellow, a testament to the effectiveness of our natural filtration process. The final major step is deodorization. Inside this massive tower, we use steam and high vacuum to remove any natural odors, ensuring a completely neutral, clean taste. Under extreme vacuum, steam strips away volatile compounds. This process ensures our soybean oil won't smoke at high temperatures and will never interfere with the flavors of food. Rapid cooling preserves the quality. We use sophisticated heat exchangers to bring the oil back to room temperature instantly, locking in the purity we worked so hard to achieve. One last polish. These final filters remove any microscopic traces, giving the oil its signature crystal clear appearance that signifies the highest grade of refined soybean oil. Look at that clarity. This is the gold standard of refined oil. Free of odors, free of impurities, and perfectly balanced for every type of culinary application. We add a touch of nature back in. Natural antioxidants are precisely dosed to ensure the oil stays fresh for months, maintaining its nutritional value until it reaches your kitchen. Our quality control is relentless. The cold test ensures the oil remains perfectly clear, even in chilly conditions, a mark of superior dewaxing and refining precision. The finished product is a masterpiece of food science, pure, healthy, and versatile. Our soybean oil is now ready to move from the refinery to the bottle. These tanks hold the culmination of our journey. Thousands of liters of liquid gold, tested and verified, are now prepared for the final stage of packaging and distribution. Efficiency meets excellence. With every batch, we confirm that our processes have hit the target for purity, yield, and safety before the first bottle is filled. Behind every drop is a team of experts. Our engineers and food scientists use this digital command center to ensure every stage of refining is executed with absolute perfection. The oil leaves the refinery. Through a dedicated sterile pipeline, the finished oil travels to the high-speed bottling lines, where it will be packaged for the world. As day turns to evening, the factory continues its mission. Our refining process works around the clock to provide a constant supply of premium oil for our customers. Welcome to the bottling hall. Here, thousands of empty bottles arrive every hour, cleaned and prepped to become the final carriers for our premium soybean oil. High-speed precision in motion. Our automated filling carousel uses advanced flow meters to fill every bottle to the exact milliliter, ensuring zero waste and perfect consistency. The liquid gold finds its home. Each bottle is filled in a sterile, nitrogen-blanketed environment to prevent any oxygen from touching the oil, preserving its freshness. Sealed for safety. The capping machine applies the perfect amount of torque to create a leak-proof, airtight seal, protecting the oil from the outside world until opened. Zero defects is our standard. Intelligent vision systems scan every single bottle at lightning speed, instantly rejecting any unit that doesn't meet our perfect packaging criteria. The brand comes to life. Labels are applied with surgical precision, carrying our promise of quality and the nutritional information that consumers trust for their families. Robotic efficiency speeds up the process. Automated arms handle the bottles with care, grouping them into sturdy cases for shipping while maintaining a blistering production pace. Secure and ready. The boxes are sealed and coded with batch numbers and expiration dates, providing full traceability from the farm all the way to the retail shelf. The heavy lifting is automated. Palletizing robots build perfect stacks, ensuring stability during transport and maximizing the efficiency of our warehouse storage and shipping operations. Final protection. A thick layer of stretch wrap secures the entire pallet, preparing it for the vibrations and movements of the long journey ahead to our global customers, a warehouse of health and flavor. From here, our oil will be dispatched to supermarkets and kitchens, ready to help cook delicious and nutritious meals for millions. Our commitment ends only when the product is perfect. Final inspections ensure that the high standards we set at the silos are reflected in the final bottle. The journey continues to you. Every day, our fleet of trucks carries the results of our hard work to every corner of the country, ensuring oil is always available. From the fertile fields to your family table, our soybean oil is a testament to quality, technology, and our passion for providing the very best in nutrition.